Flutter is an open source framework. Flutter supported and developed by Google. The goal is enable developers to deliver high performance apps that feel natural on different platforms. We embrace differences in scrolling behaviors, typography, icons, and more. Flutter released in 2017 and the official stable version released in December 2018. Flutter is powered by Dart, a language optimized for fast apps and any platforms. If you understand object-oriented language, you will be able to pick up part quickly. Some of the top reasons why development choose Flutter is its use for Android and iOS. It's easy to learn, it's available on different IDEs, and have a great documentation. First process of Flutter is fast application development that helps you to develop application very fast. Knowing that application design is critical to marketplace success, Google has made customization and style a central component of the Flutter platform. A slogan of Flutter is write once, deploy anywhere. Whether you need an Android, iOS, or web app, Flutter gets the job done with just one code base. First cons of Flutter is new and comparatively unsteady platform. Flutter don't have a big and great community because it's young and new.